Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Paul's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about your lower cowling air exit ramps and what they can do to help with your cooling. The normal ramps, which were fiberglass, tend to collapse with age. But now let's talk about the new aluminum ones and how we're making them and what the differences are. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So this is what they look like in the manual, and it's just a little bitty thing on the drawing, but you know, they do let out a lot of air, and that's what we're going to use to cool our engine. So now let's learn a little bit more about them. So let's take a look at the old ones. And again, the heat from the engine all those years tends to wear the fiberglass, and with the pressure on it in flight, it tends to make it bow, which restricts your air exit. So now you don't have enough air exit, and now your engine's going to run a little warmer. And while you're doing it, the first thing you have to do is you have to remove the outlets from the existing cowling, and when you do that, you may find some hidden cracks and some other things that will have to be repaired. But then again, once you get it all done, now you're looking at the new ramps, and the new ramps are considerably bigger. They're clecoed into place, and then you begin the process of routing them in. And by having a larger exit, you see, on our airplanes, a normal aircraft has one area of air intake for 3 areas of air exit, and that's for a heated air exchange, and that's going to give you good cooling. Well, on our airplanes, we're about 2 to 1, 2 on the input, 1 on the exit. So you see why we have a cooling issue if you don't have those vents. Now here are the new ones. Got in our new air exit ramps. So here they are. You'll notice they're a little bit taller than the fiberglass ramps. They're also reinforced so that they don't want to deflect as much with the air load. I think you'll find them a nice addition to your airplane and good for additional cooling. The one thing that I do ask is that when you do this part, we take some rubber tubing, we cut it open, and then we RTV it along here so this won't cut into any of the scat tubing. But anyway, here's what a bunch of new air ramps for the bottom of your cowling look like. So that's what the new aluminum exit ramps look like to give you additional cooling. We're going to be putting them on the GPA store for sale, or you can just pick up the phone and call Roscoe at Yankee Aviation and order a set. They're right now $350 for the pair. That's all you need, and they should last another 40 or 50 years. So we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. You know, forget buying expensive toys for your kittens and cats. We find that just taking the aircraft spruce box and the paper on the tile floor is more than enough amusement for them for hours.